Hi friends, my name is Aditya. I hope you all are in a copacetic state and health. And today we will be understanding or fathoming the difference between production and manufacturing. Actually, there exists a subtle dichotomy between these two that when you talk about production and manufacturing, they both refer to an output that you are getting. You put into something, you get out of it something. They both refers that, but the way of getting it is very different. In the case of production, usage of machine and men are not necessarily there, whereas in manufacturing, usage of machine is compulsory. It is always there. It is kind of sine qua non thing which is always present. So in production, let's take an example of wheat or rice. They are cultivated, right? Their production is done. We never say that 5 tons of rice were manufactured this year. We ever say that? We never ever say that, because there is no involvement of machines here, because everything is done with the law of nature at the behest of it. So in this case we use production, because in production role of machine or usage of machine and men are not necessarily there. You just put the seed in and you go and just water it time to time and just go away, and everything else will fructify by its own with the law of nature. But in manufacturing, the things are very different. You try to convert raw material into a finished goods. Suppose you have got raw material as potato as a result of production, and you want to make chips, so you will have to use machines. So in that case we can say 5 tons of chips or potato chips were manufactured this year, because role of machine and men is compulsory. You can't avoid that. It is something ineluctable. So in that case, we would call it as manufacturing. So wherever involvement of machines, men are involved in the output, then it is known as manufacturing. Whereas when men and machine are not necessarily involved, like in the production of potato or wheat or any natural thing provided to us as a raw material, or I would say kesar also. You never say that this 5 quintal of kesar were manufactured this year. You always say that this year we got production of 5 quintals of saffron, right? That is kesar. You never say that it was manufactured, because there is no usage of machines there. Men may be there because we are collecting manually from there, but there is no use of machines there. So this is the difference is all about. And I prefer to keep the video in a non-competitive manner, so that you are heedful to my instructions and jot the points out. So thank you so much guys for your time. I expect that you were able to understand what actually I wanted to expatiate, and thank you so much for your time and have a good day. And it's a gentle request, so thank you. Bye bye.